feature allows you to add VAT to the bill. So if I add a test, it automatically adds the VAT based on the settings. So you can set the VAT percentage from the bill settings page in admin, and whatever you set over there will be reflected as a default VAT percentage for the bill, and you can then confirm and bill. So the VAT amount will be included in the bill total amount. So if you print the receipt, so that amount will be showing up in the reports. So if you check the reports, it will show the VAT percentage. So it will show the VAT amount and the VAT percentage over here in the report, where you can download this report to understand how much VAT you need to pay to the government directly from one export. This VAT amount is separately stored than the additional amount, so you can use either one, an additional amount or VAT, to save the VAT amount.